Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow apps making changes to Apple advertising on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Now we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, scroll down and tap on Apple Advertising. Now enter the screen time passcode. Then on this screen here, you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. Select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.